Hello everyone, welcome to this new tutorial in which we will learn how to format raw descriptive table like this generated by R into publication ready table like this. So let's get started. At first select the table like this, then change the font style to Times New Roman and font size to 12 point. Then click on the table design tab, then click on borders, select all borders, there are some underscores in between words in some questions, so we have to remove the underscores and replace with single space. To replace, at first select all text with Ctrl A and open Find and Replace window with keyboard shortcut Ctrl+H. Here in this pop-up, type what you want to replace, underscore for here and replace with single space. This replaced all the underscores with single space. Next is there are two 0 digits after decimal that are not needed, so I want to remove them from this table. For this also I will follow the same procedure. I will copy the text that I want to remove, then open Find and Replace with keyboard shortcut Ctrl+H. In this table, this is the question and these are the probable answers for the question. Some of the questions are long and they are taking 2 lines. So we can merge all these 3 boxes so that the questions can be adjusted in single line. The questions are now centrally aligned. Align them again on left side. Now adjust the width of the columns. I will keep percentage value and 95% confidence interval in same column. Here replace percentage sign from all the values by replacing percentage with nothing. These values are in range, so I want to replace comma and space by a single hyphen. For this, select this column and replace with find and replace. Now I will put the 95% confidence interval values within parentheses. Then I will take the percentage values from second column to third column. Again adjust the width of the columns. Here this is one question of the table with its all probable answers, and each option have different frequencies. Here we can keep the answers in ascending or descending value of the frequencies. For this I will insert some new rows. Then arrange the options with its decreasing frequency values. For scientific publication, the vertical borders of the tables are discouraged, so we will remove the vertical borders from the table. For this, select the table and go to table design. Click on no borders. Now I will insert only the horizontal borders between the questions. So at first I will add the top border. Then I will add bottom border for the header row. Now I will insert horizontal line after the end of the first question. For that I will select the last option of the first question and insert bottom border. And this will continue until the last question. At last I will insert caption for my table. For that, select the table and right click on it and select the insert caption option and write the table number and caption for the table. And click on OK. Here we should change the font style of the table to Times New Roman and bold it. In this way we can format our raw table into publication ready format. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more tutorials like this.